Today we're going to look at some more collocations in depth. So I've been looking at collocations, just looking at pictures and giving you some example sentences of how to use these collocations. Today we're going to look at collocations, see if we can have some sort of story made together. Here's the collocations we're going to look at. Good news. Large quantity. Strong opinions. Wise choice. In great detail. Honest answer. Slight chance. So those are the collocations that we're going to look at today. We're going to try and put that into a story. So here we go. Good news is coming. There is good news coming. There's going to be a large quantity of colleagues celebrating their performances. Some will have strong opinions on those who have been chosen. Others will have the opinions to say that they shouldn't have been chosen. Try and make a wise choice on your actions. Don't jump in. There's another one. Don't jump in with your strong opinions. Think before you say things. It could be you one day. When you're speaking in a presentation, please use great detail. So give your presentation in great detail. Don't miss out the important parts. It's very important to put in everything in a presentation, so put in great detail. If you're asked a question about your presentation, always give honest answers. Always give honest answers. If you do give honest answers and your boss is in your meeting, there could be a slight chance that you could get a promotion or a wage rise. Okay, so there's my little business sort of scenario using these collocations. I hope you found them useful. If you want any more business collocations like this or anything that involves business, drop me a message and I will get back to you as soon as I can. But in the meantime, please say if you can use these business collocations in your story. I'd love to hear them. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget, please like and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos like this. Bye bye for now.